Students, respond. Hello. Hello. Students, respond. Yesterday, I given homework. You have done or not? Hello. My voice is clear, students. Hello. Students, my voice is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Respond, students.
Yes, sir.
Next, write down. These two questions only yesterday I have given. Have done that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Students, respond. Please tell me respond. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
How to do it? How to
Yes.
do it or what? Next question, write down. Third one. 2, 3, 5, 7. Next problem, do it. 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. How to write? Tell me, students. We know that. Respond, all of you. A is equal to A in I into A. Students, respond. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, my voice is
Ma'am.
clear or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, we have to
respond,
find the
students.
inverse of it.
Huh?
We have to
Yeah,
find the
find the
inverse.
inverse. Yeah. Using elementary
7
transformation,
equals
find
to
the inverse of the following. Okay.
2357 is equals to 1001.
Respond, all of you, students. 2, 3, 5, 7 is equal to. What is identity
1001.
matrix? 0, 1
1001
A.
into A.
Okay, students, here upper element, here 5, here first we have to start with second row first element, here given 5, but 5 upper element is 2. If it is 1 is there, we can easily do it, multiply with that value, right? Here 2 is there, what to do? This 5 make it as 0 with the help of first row. Tell me that operation. Tell me the operation. Anyone? Students, respond. Tell me the operation.
Ma'am, you can take it as
Minus 2
imply.
R1.
Very good. First, R2 implies, tell ma. 2
R2
R2 minus 5 R1.
Yes, ma'am. We can take it like that.
You can take it like this. Now tell me the answer. 2, 3, write as it is.
2 into 5 minus
2 into 5, 10. Minus 5 into 2,
10.
10. 0.
10.
10 minus 1, it is 0. Understood, all of you students? It is 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next element is, tell me. 2 into 7. 2 into 7 minus 5 into 3. How much? 14 minus
14 minus 10, 4.
14 minus 15, right?
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
minus 1.
Minus 1 is equal to. Now 1, 0, 1, 0,
Is it
second row elements. 2 into 0, 0, minus 5 into 1 is minus 5.
minus 1?
Minus 5,
sorry.
right? Next element, Amma. 2 into R2 value, it is 1, minus 5 into 0. It is equal to 2.
2.
Okay, into A. Any doubts, students? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Next, what to do? Here minus 1 is there. This minus 1, make it as plus 1 means what to do? Tell me, students, what to do? Tell me, students, multiply with minus R2, right? Then you can get plus, no? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, students. 2, 3,
Yes, ma'am.
0, 1.
0, 1.
1.
Yes.
which is equal to 1 0 minus into minus plus 5 minus 2
minus 2.
into A. Yeah. So second row, throughout multiply with the minus. Okay. Next topic. Next one is you have to see with the first row. First row means what? What here is a 3. First start with 3. Then you can do 2. Why? Because upper 2 lower element is 0. We can't do anything. So that's why first of all start with 3 here. Here 3 is there. The 3 make it as 0 with the help of lower element. Tell me that operation. Respond students. 3 make it as 0 with the help of second row. Students respond man. Here 3 is there, no? Make it as 0 with the help of lower element. Tell me. Hello, my voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, my voice is clear? Then tell ma, why ma? This much time you want, na? So R2 implies R2 is 3 minus multiply
ma'am.
with the 3, no?
3R1, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me one. What you get here? In the upper first R, not R2, R1.
1, ma'am. 1 by,
Ah.
I mean 1.
Tell me, students.
1,
Here we can
3
write
by
it
2.
as R1 implies R1 minus 3 R2.
R2.
Now tell me.
Ma'am, I think it will be
2 only. 2 minus 3 into 0, 2 only will get you.
2, ma'am.
Zero, ma'am.
Next.
0.
0. 1.
0. 1.
1. Here. R1 3. R1 minus 3 R2 means 1 minus 3
1
into
minus
5.
3.
How
It
much
will
that
be
value?
minus 14.
1 minus 15. Minus 14. Next value. 0 minus 3 minus 2.
Minus,
Negative
it will
one.
be 6, ma'am.
6. 5 minus 2, right as it is.
Minus-
Into E.
Ma'am, how can we analyze the condition, ma'am?
I have to think it and do it only, ma. First, I have to think it. How it will be. Here 3 is there. Upper element 3 is there. Lower element is 1 is there. So lower element 1 means what to do? So here the 3 make it as 0. You want 3 make it as 0 means lower element is 1 is there. If you multiply with 3, multiply with it and then subtract that 2, then you can get 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Like that you have to think it and do it my operation. Okay, understood students what I'm telling?
There's no easy way to like.
It is no easy way. First of all, you have to analyze. So here 3 is there, make it as 0. So here upper element is there means you take with the help of lower element. Okay. For example, here lower element you are taking means with the help of upper element. Like that you have to think it and you have to do it. Understood students what I'm telling? That operation it is not that much easy. Have to practice 2 or 3 times, then it can get easy. This is 2 by 2 only, but 3 by 3 matrix also there. That is somewhat difficult. But PU students 3 by 3 it is not important for you. But CBSE students it is very, very, very important. Guarantee one question it will come in the final exam. CBSE students. Now
yes,
tell me. Now tell me. So here we got it 0, here 1. So this left side 2 0 0 1 convert into identity matrix, right? So here identity matrix means 1 0 0 1. So in place of 2, what we want here?
1.
In place of 2, what we want? 1 we want.
1.
Okay, remaining elements and all we got it. Remaining elements we got it. In place of 2
Yes,
only we
ma'am.
got 1. We want 1, right? So that nothing but what the 2 make it as 1 with the help of lower element. Now tell me. With the help of lower element means 0 is there. We can't do anything. So what is that another method? So what to multiply? That is what divided by 2. So R1 implies 1 by 2 into R1. Students understood what I'm telling?
Yes, ma'am.
2 by 2 is 1. 0 by 2 is
Ma'am,
0.
it will be 3 by 2.
What 3 by 2?
Oh, sorry,
Where
sorry.
So minus 14 by 2. 6
Yes,
by
ma'am.
2. 5 2 into A. Now tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am. Ma'am, it will be
Now
1001 equal to minus 7 3 5 2.
5 2 into
Minus 2, ma'am.
Yo, this is identity matrix I. So this is capital A. This is taken as A inverse. Then only you can get identity matrix. So therefore
Yes,
A
ma'am.
is equal to what is the answer? Minus 7. 3,
5, 2.
5. This is minus 2.
Yeah, ma'am. It will be minus 2. Inverse, ma'am.
Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Not done. See, 1 or 2 times you have to practice, students. Not that much easy these problems. PU students, it's very, very important. PU, it is 2
Ma'am,
marks.
only this miscellaneous exercise is a bit tough, ma'am.
Yes. So once you practice that level 1 and level 2 students already completed matrices, and this case set this Monday also 40% present week, 40% cumulative, 20% to present week, previous week cumulative. Okay,
ma'am.
40% present week matrices only. Previous week
ma'am.
also 40%, that also matrices only. So
Ma'am,
20%.
20%?
20% cumulative. We don't know which one they maybe relations and functions, inverse trigonometry also. We don't know
Okay,
that
ma'am.
20%. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Previous chapters. So matrices is very easy. So KSET papers also 2009 to 2014 already I sent that one also once you practice those problems. And JMIN NDA papers also already I posted. Page number also I mentioned. Did you see that one? No?
Yes, ma'am. We have seen.
In that matrices only
Yes.
complete. The solutions also there in that. Once you practice those problems also. Completed students?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in case that question paper, ma'am.
Yeah, tell ma.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the question? Find the value of. Like they'll give the value of and give a matrix. What is the meaning of that question?
Find the value of? I didn't understand.
Can you see the second
Once you
question?
send to my WhatsApp, ma, I will.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Completed students, this question? Students, please respond. Is it completed or not?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Next. Second question. Three minus 1 minus 4, 2. Tell me. Amit S. Kumar respond. Amit S. Kumar. Amit S. respond.
S. Kumar, right now. Sumair respond. Sumair respond. Sumair. Respond students. Sumair. G1G.
Yes,
who is this? Sumair?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me, Sumair, how to do this problem, Sumair? 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2. Tell me, Sumair, how to do this problem? First, what you have to write? Please, remaining students, complete this question and tell me the answer. Tell me, Sumair, how to write this question? We know that if you write this step also, they will give 1 mark. It is 3 marks question. If you write this step also, they will give 1 mark. A into A is equal to I into A. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. A
Next.
equal to I into A.
What is A here? 3 minus
3
1.
minus 1 minus 4, 2.
It
Next.
equals to
What is
1001.
0, 1?
1001
To A.
into A.
Into A. Next. Now tell me, students. So this -4, this -4, make it as 0 with the help of upper element.
-4, 0.
With the help of upper element. Just multiply these two, that's all only, na?
Ma'am, which one you have to multiply
See,
with then?
listen students, 4x plus y is there, 3x plus 2y is there equal to 0. I want to cancel x. So I want to cancel x means what to do? So this equation multiply with 3,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
equation multiply with 4, then only it can get cancelled, right? Then only it is both will be equal, right? 12x, 12x. Students understood what I'm telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Unlike that, remember and tell me how to write. Tell me operation. Tell me operation. Students, please respond. So R2 implies 3R2 minus is there now I'm taking plus 4R1.
Yes, ma'am.
3R2, 3 into -4, -12.
-12.
Plus 4 into 3 is 12.
12.
Any doubt, students? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
Then tell me the answer. Now tell me the answer.
0.
0. Next.
0.
Next.
-4.
0. 3 -1 right as it is. This is 0.
-4.
This
Sorry.
value it is 3 into 6. 3 into 2 are 6. 6 plus 4 into -1. 6 minus 4 it is equal to 2.
2.
Read out. Now it is equal to. Now tell me. What is this answer? 1 0 right as it is. 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1 which is equal to.
Ma'am, it will be 0 plus it will be 4, ma'am. 4.
Now 4. Next. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0.
3, ma'am.
into
No,
1.
it will be 3, ma'am. It will be 7.
Respond, all of you, Sumer. Everyone, please respond.
Sorry, 3.
Everyone, please respond.
Answer.
Yeah, why? Because this actually
Yes, ma'am.
matrices full chapter is except this part only. Okay, not but much
Yes,
easy
ma'am.
this one. Please respond, all of you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next.
It's not much. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, it is difficult only.
Ma'am, many
So that's
tricks are there to do this.
Okay.
Short-
Any
Shortcut methods are there for this.
shortcut methods and all not there for this. Shortcut methods and all not there for this. Have to do it. That's all. But those may suppose some students it feel difficult to me. So just 1 or 2 steps. First and second, if you write it, no need to do remaining part like that and all. We are telling. So 1 mark it will come. Okay, 3 marks only, na, it is. So actually in this PU students, sum of symmetric, skew symmetric, that one first option. Second one is inverse. These 2 questions only maximum important for 3 marks. If you get that one, no, sum of symmetric and skew symmetric easily will get you 3 marks for the last bottom students. For you and all, what happened, no? 1 or 2, 3 times if you want, this is the first time explanation, no? So this is same question at the end of the year, I think so 10 times we will explain the same this type of methods also. So unit test is there, again we will explain, again next one more quarterly exams, next midterms, so next pre-finals. So then what happened, no, number of times we are practicing now, easily we'll get you at the end of year. Okay, don't worry about it. First time it is somewhat difficult. Now tell me, next. So
R2 implies
don't-
half of R.
Okay, first listen. So R2 implies the 2 make it as 1. What to do? 2
Divide by
make it by 2. Very good. So R2 implies 1 by 2 into R2. Now 3 minus 1, 0, 1,
Yes, ma'am.
which is equal to.
Ma'am, it will be 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Oh, sorry.
Ma'am,
This
2
side,
and 3 by
2
2.
and 3 by 2
2 and 3 by 2.
into A. Okay, but 2 by 2 only you are feeling difficult means what about 3 by 3?
Ma'am, PU students no need to do 3 by 3. No.
3 by 3 no need. But CBSE students, that is guarantee question. It is very, very important 3 by 3. Okay, now tell me. Next, what next one? First row, second element. First row, second element. -1 is there. Make it as 0 with the help of lower element. What is the -1 lower element?
1, ma'am.
Now tell me the operation.
R1 plus R2.
Very good. R1 implies R1 plus R2. Very good.
R1 implies R1 plus R2.
Very good. Very good. Now tell me.
-1 plus 1.
3
Minus
plus
1
0
plus
is
1.
0, 1.
3 minus 1, 0, 1.
0, 1. Why minus
sorry,
1?
three.
It becomes 0, right? -1
Yes,
plus
ma'am,
0.
0.
Okay, please respond, students. If you're wrong also, no problem. Please open your mouth and tell me. Okay, no problem. I will explain one more times. Okay, please respond, all of you. Please
Yes, ma'am.
respond, all of you. Next one.
R1 implies 1 by 3 of
R1 plus R2.
1 by 3 of 1.
1 plus 2 is 2. Now add these two. Now add these two and write in the first row. 0 plus 3
Ma'am,
by
1
2
plus
is
2 or 1 plus 1, ma'am?
R1 plus R2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 3.
3, ma'am. It's 3, ma'am.
Yeah, 3. R1, 1 plus 2 is 3.
Yes, ma'am.
0 plus 3 by 2 is 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
This 2 is 2.
3 by 2.
Next one. Which one take it as, which one we have to change now?
3, ma'am.
In LH side.
3, ma'am.
Very good. The 3 make it as what?
Ma'am, 1 by 3 into 3.
1 by 3.
Very good. R1 implies 1 by 3 into R1.
1 by 3 into R1.
Now tell me the answer.
Answer is 1, ma'am.
Answer is 1. 1, 0, 0, 1.
Here 3 by 3 is 1.
3, 1.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. 2 by 3.
2 by 3 and 1 by 3.
And yes.
Why? Because denominator 3 and numerator 3 both are cancelled. Understood, students? What I am telling? So each element. Why? Listen. We are taking only R1, right? First row only, not second row. So this is
3 by 2, ma'am.
3 by 2. Okay. Now tell me, what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by 2,
2, 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Now we'll start 3 by 3 now.
Ma'am,
Students.
one more question. Just one more question.
Yeah, tell me which question you want. Which question? In this two questions are given, no?
Yes, first one.
First one will do, no? 1, 3, 2, 7.
Yes. I have already done, but I have to check whether it is right or not. So you can do.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you do now. What is the question? 1,
1, 3,
1, 3, 2, 7.
2, 7. Yes.
Yeah. What's the name, ma'am? What's the name, ma'am? Please respond. Now tell me, you only tell the answer.
A is equal
What's the
to
name, ma'am?
first one. Shubham.
Your name?
Shubham.
Shubham, tell me. Shubham, yeah.
A is equal to. Do you know that?
A is equal to. Yeah.
After that, we'll break 1, 3, 2, 7 equals to. I A, that is I value is 1, 0, 0, 1.
Yeah. Next. Tell me the operation.
Then we can do operation.
So first I have to
R2 minus 2 R1.
Very good. Now, how much you got? 1, 3, right? This is 0. R2, 7, 1, 2 into 1 will get 7 minus 6. Yeah. Very good.
That is equal to 1, 0 minus 1, 1.
1, 0 minus 2. 1.
Minus 2, 1.
Got it? Same answer only.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Next.
Then
Mm.
R1 implies
Mm.
R1 minus 3R1.
Very good. Completed, no? R1 minus 3R2.
Yeah, that's the
Mm.
3R1.
Next.
Yeah, 3R2. Okay.
This is one
So
only,
you
na?
will get 1, 0.
Very
0.
good. 0,
Yes. This
1.
one 0, 1.
Very good.
And there you will get 1 minus
1,
3.
1 minus 3 minus 2. So which is equal to what? Plus 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7.
Yeah.
Now
7.
here,
Yes.
0 minus 3 into 1.
0
So how much?
minus
Minus
3
3.
into 1.
This is minus 2. 1 into A. Check the answer, all of you
Yes.
students. Same answer only got it. A inverse into A. So therefore, what is
I
A
got the
inverse?
same answer.
Same only, no? It's correct only.
This board, ma'am.
It is a board only. No? Okay, students. So these are all board problem there. I think so. It is not there in the case set.
Yeah, ma'am, it's not there in case set.
Yeah. 7 minus 3 minus 2, 1. Completed?
Yes.
Can I show question?
Yeah, ma'am.
Shubha, very good. He got it same. So understood this one. So the methods remaining also you have to do like this one. Okay, this is 3 marks. So first step is 1 mark. Next last answer is 1 mark, and the middle steps kind of 1 mark. So PU students carefully have to write that very important presentation also, because schema of evaluation is different. Okay, according to schema of evaluation only they will correct the papers. Second PU students, papers are easy only for PU, but papers correction is very difficult. Okay, so that's why each and every step it is very important. But CBSE students, don't worry about that. You have to apply any method, no problem. They will give the marks, full marks on. But CBSE students, maybe papers are somewhat difficult. Logical questions only they will not. Same questions only, but application part. That is the difference. That's all. Students.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we'll do 3 by 3. We will do 3 by 3 now.
Timetable is written JE.
JE is given now. Okay, we'll complete this today. Tomorrow and next 2 days.
ID also
we'll
they
do
change
math. ID also change it today. ID also change it today. Already completed, no matrices, everything. So competitive part completed, students. The same model questions only. Okay, once you practice all that, all yesterday I have given that case set points, case set previous case set papers, JEE main papers, previous papers, and once you practice material level 1 and level 2 and level 3 also, maximum almost all completed all the models. So just once you revise the questions, that's so tomorrow we'll start determinants. So one period we'll do determinants, one period what and all we have notes in maths.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
one will complete tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please once you practice all the material problems and previous case set problems. So determinants are very important compared to matrices, and that too somewhat difficult only determinants. Completed, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next question. Today we have a meeting, na? PTM?
Don't know,
I didn't
ma'am.
inform you. You don't know. But one meeting is there, but the senior or junior, I don't know. Capital A is equal to my N-tube dual, students, please respond. Did you understand this one? N-tube dual. Respond, anyone? Are you following all
Yes,
of
ma'am.
you?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
following
Yes, ma'am.
N-tube duals? 2 minus 3, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 2.
Listen carefully, students. We know that same A is equal to I into A. A is equal to 2 minus 3, 3. CBSE students, listen carefully. 2, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 2. Equal to I, 3 by 3 identity matrix, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. So here, right side matrix also convert into identity matrix. Okay. Here, you can take any row. But here, elementary operation means you're doing row operation means entire problem you're taking row operations only. Okay, now don't take in the middle again columns. If you start with row means you have to end with also row only. Any doubt, students? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here in this 3 by 3, we can start with first row, second row, or third row. No problem for this. Now tell me. Now I'm taking first row. First row, what is the 3 by 3 identity matrix? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, right? These two make it as these two make it as 1. These two make it as 1. These two make it as 1. Minus 3 make it as 0. Plus 3 make it as 0. The second row 2. First row first element 2 also make it as 0. Next 2 is make it as 1. 3 is 0. The third row third row.
Ma'am, 2 we can make with the help of 3 also, no ma'am. 1.
So listen, students, here what and all, if you suppose here first row first element is 2 means with the help of lower element. Okay.
2 and 3 is there, no ma'am. Any element we can take in that. Like
Now tell me. Now tell me, students. First listen. R1. First I'm taking first row. So first row, first of all, listen, students. Here first row first element. First row first element is 2. First row first element is 2. That 2 make it as 1 with the help of second row. Second row means 2 lower element is 2. Now tell me, how can you write? Now tell me. Students, please respond. Hello? Students, please respond. Hello? Students, my voice
Yes,
is clear?
ma'am.
My
Yes,
voice is
ma'am.
clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is clear, right? Yeah. Tell
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
students. Tell me. R1 implies.
Ma'am,
2R1.
R1 implies
Two.
R1 minus 2.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Listen. R1 implies
R1 minus
2.
R2 minus 1.
R2 minus 1.
Yeah. R1 implies.
R1
R1.
minus R2
R1.
minus 1.
R1 minus R2 means if you do R1 minus R2 means 2 minus 2, 0 will get you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 1, no,
0 will
ma'am.
get you.
Sorry, plus 1 you can do. Ma'am, you can write
Listen.
R1 implies R1 minus R2 plus 1.
R1 minus
R1 minus R2 plus 1.
plus 1 now.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 1 can't take. Only single element you can't add like that.
Ma'am, we can divide by 2, ma'am.
Divide by 2 means it will come lengthy, right? Tell me, anyone. Students, listen. You can write like this: R1 plus R2 minus R3. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 3 is 1.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yeah, ma'am.
2 plus 2 is 4.
4 minus 3. R1 is 2, R2 is 2. 2 plus 2 minus 3. How much? 1 only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, tell me what you get here. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 2. How much? Minus 3 plus 2 minus into minus plus 2. 4 minus 3 also 1.
Minus 1. ma'am.
Next. Why minus 1? Minus 3 plus 4. Plus 4 minus 3 is plus 1, right?
Okay, okay.
Next number. Respond all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Next number.
4, ma'am.
Next number. 3. 3
4.
plus 3 plus 2. How much? 6. 6 plus 2. 6 minus 2. Plus 4.
4.
4. So next elements are right as this. 2, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 2.
Minus 2, 2.
Now tell me this side also. Into A.
1.
Very good. 1.
1.
Again 1.
1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Very good. Very good. So 0, 1,
0.
0,
0, 0, 0, 1.
Next. Listen. Second row, second element is 2. Third row, first element is 3. With the help of these two rows, with the help of first row, make it as 0. Upper element is 1 is there means you can multiply any number, you can get 0, right? For example, 2 is there. 2 make it as 0 means we multiply with 2. That nothing but R2 implies R2 minus 2 R1, we can write it.
Yes, ma'am.
R3 implies we can write R3 minus 3 R1, we can write it.
Yes.
Then you can get 0. Students,
Yes, ma'am.
now tell me the answer. First row right as it is 1, 1, 4. So upper element to lower element, if 1 is there, we can easily make it as 0 with the help of that first row or second row. When if it is 1 is there. Now tell me second row.
0.
Respond all of you. Just subtraction only, na? R2 means 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Next. Next, tell me. R2, 2. 2 minus 2 into 1. How much will get you here? This also value 0. Next. Next. 3 minus 2 into 4. 3 minus 8. How much? Minus 5. Next. This value is 0. Next. How much? Minus 2 minus 3 into 1. Minus 5.
Minus 5.
Next. Next here. 2 minus 3 into 4. 2 minus 8. 10. Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Equal to. Now tell me. Next here.
Minus 2.
This is minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1. Second one. 0, 0 minus 2. Minus 2. Next. 1, 1 minus 2 into 1. Minus 1. This is 2. Minus into minus plus. This is minus 3. Minus 3. 4. Any doubt? Please respond, students. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll a bit more?
1 minute. 1 minute. Please listen. After that, you can copy. I will give time. So right. Okay. Students, in the second row, 0, 0 is there.
Yes,
0, 0 minus 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, identity matrix means what is the second row? 0, 1, 0 is there, right?
Yes,
Okay. Now I'm doing here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm doing here interchanging second row and third row. So second row interchange third row. Second row interchange third row. Now tell me how can I write? 1, 1, 4, 0, minus 5, minus 10, 0, 0, minus 5, which is equal to 1, 1, 1, minus 3, 4,
minus
minus 2, minus 1, 2 into it. Okay. See, students, listen carefully here. Minus 5 is there. That minus 5 to make it as 1. What is the operation?
Divide by minus 5.
Very good. R3 implies minus 1 by 5.
Minus 1 by 5 I3.
Now tell me the answer. 1, 1, 4, 0, minus 5, minus 10, 0, 0, plus 1. Now it is equal to 1, 1, 1, minus 3, 4, 2 by 5,
2 by minus 5
by 5, minus 2 by 5 into A. Next. So
R2
same.
also we divide by minus 5.
Minus 5. Very good. Minus 1 by 5 into R2. Tell me.
1, 1, 4, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 0, 1.
1, 1, 4, 0,
0, 5, minus 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 2. Sorry, 0, 0, 1.
Next. 1, 1,
1, 1. 3 by 5, 3 by 5. 4 by 5. 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5.
Into A.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
First row, isn't it minus 1?
Where it is minus 1? First row. Why it is minus 1?
Ma'am, in that inverse, ma'am.
Answer you're telling.
1,
Answer you're telling.
ma'am, no, ma'am. Can you scroll down 1 minute? See, ma'am, here that inverse 1, 1, minus 1 is there, no?
Okay. Here minus 1 is there. Okay, good. Now tell me. Very good. Next row, what to write here? So second row, last element is 2. Make it as 0.
And this one, it's minus 4 by 5, right?
Which one, ma? Minus 4 by 5? Why it is minus 4 by 5? We are not applying row 1.
No, ma'am, down, ma'am.
Where, ma?
A inverse 3 by 5, 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5, right?
3 by 5, 3 by 5. It is plus 4 only, na?
Ma'am, but we are dividing it by minus 5, no? Ma'am, the last step, ma'am. Last step, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. So, minus 4 by 5. Very good. Minus 4 by 5. Students, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so here R2 implies minus 1 by 5 R2. So plus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Yeah, good. Next. These two make it as 0 with the help of lower a. Now tell me the answer. R2 implies
R2 minus R2 R1. 2 R3.
So minus 2 into 1. So it becomes 0.
1 into 1, 1, 4, right as it is. 1, 1, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4. 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1. Equal to 1, 1, minus 1 into A, right as it is. Now tell me the answer. 3 by 5 minus 2 into 2 by 5. How much? Students respond.
Minus 4 by 5.
R2 is 3 by 5 minus 2 into R2 by 5. So it is equal to 3 by 5.
3 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Minus 1 by 5.
1 by 5. Next number. 3 by 5 minus 2 into 1 by 5 equal to 3 by 5 minus
Ma'am, it's 1 by 5.
also minus 1 by 5. Next 4 by 5 minus 2 into minus 1 by 5. So which is equal to how much?
Ma'am, minus 2 or minus 6?
Minus 8 by 5, ma'am.
What man? Response students?
Okay, okay.
Minus 8 by 5.
8 by 5, ma'am. 8 by 5.
8 by 5.
Minus 8 by 5, ma'am.
Hey, plus 8 by 5, right? No, minus 8 by 5. Hey,
Yeah,
zero.
minus
Hey, wait. R2 is 1 minute. 0 will get 1 minute. 1 minute.
0.
0. 1 minute. R2 is minus 4 by 5. Minus 2 into R3 is minus 2. So it is
Minus 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5. 0.
plus 4 by 5.
Which is 0.
Equal to 0. Next. 2 by 5 right as it is 1 by 5 as it is minus 1 by 5. Okay. See this LHS side. This 4 make it as 0 with the help of third row. Now tell me how many right. Tell me first of all this first tell me 2. Second can be 1 with the help of second row. Make it as 0 there that we can write R1 implies R1 minus
R1 minus R2.
no, tell me down the answer. Give me the answer.
1 1 0 4.
1 0 4 0 1 0 0 R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2. Minus less. How much? 0 to 1 right?
6 by 5.
R1 is 1 minus R2.
Yes, ma'am.
6 by 5. Next.
4 by 5 5.
4 by 5. Next.
4.
Next minus 1.
Minus 1.
This is minus 1 by 5 right. This is minus 1 by 0. 2 by 5 1
Minus 2 by 5.
Okay. Next.
R1 minus R1 minus 4 R3.
Last one. Yes. Last one. Make it right 0. The help of R1 minus 4 R3. Very last step it is. Now tell me the answer.
1 1 0 0.
Now tell me the 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is easy. This is one only there. Now tell me. R1 is 6 by 5 minus 4 into R3 is 5 by 5. How much? So 6 minus 8 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Next one R1 4 by 5
0
minus 1 by 5 0. Next R1 is minus 1 minus 4 into minus 5 by 5.
7
How much? Minus 1 plus
7
by 5. Minus 5
5
plus 8.
1 plus 8 by 5.
Minus 5 plus 8 by 5.
3 by 5.
3 by 5. So finally got it. This is minus 1 by 5. This is 1 by 5. 0. This is 5 by 5. 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Into A. Any doubt, students? This is 1 now. Finally got the answer.
Ma'am,
No, tell me.
for
Capital I is equal to, yeah, CBSE it is important.
they will not ask for 4 cross 4, right?
No, I cross you. Cross you. Minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus 5 by 5, 1 by
This will be for how many marks?
Just for you 5 marks. But I think so it is only easy. Okay. But we use students to say. Any doubts, students? Please. No. One more question I will give homework. It's only 1 hour over.
Ma'am, this 3 by 3 is only for CBSE, ma'am.
Yeah, 3 by 3 only CBS.
Okay.
Next. Complete students, note down. Not down. Complete students, writing.
Ma'am, one.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Note down. Completed students, writing. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Writing or what? Completed? Written all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Note down homework. Take it as homework, these two. This also homework. CD minus AB equal to 0. So D had to find out. Take D is equal to ABC. So multiply CD is equal to AB and equate these two matrix, will get you the answer. Finally, we'll get you the answer. D is equal to minus 191 minus 1 minus 110 77 44. This is the answer. Once you practice all of it. So this is the matrix chapter, students. Tomorrow we'll start determinants. Once you practice the 3 by 3 also. Okay, students, once you revise all the problems, the matrices, level 1 and level 2, what and all yesterday have posted, no, that and all once you practice competitive, what and all we have doubts, that and all we'll see tomorrow in the class. Okay. Now we'll close the class now, students. Hello.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Once you practice all these problems, revise it and first of all complete level 1 and level 2. Okay, and the class notes also, level 1 and level 2 class notes and previous question papers once you solve it. Okay, hardly or 10 or 15 questions are there. Okay, that too all material problems also, same material problems what and all there in that material, same case set problem, previous question papers also same. Okay, and once and this one also means previous questions also already I posted, that also once you saw. Okay, what and all we have doubts, tomorrow we'll discuss that. Okay, students, thank you. Bye. I will close the class. Okay, Byra.
Ma'am, the class is shown till 10:30.
Yeah, till 10:30. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.